What's with all the street lights? So many street lights and yet none of them are working.
Hey!
Whoa, what the fuck?
What the shit?
Hey, I did not see them, man, until you turn your lights on. Until you put your high beam on.
What the heck? Shit! If not, I probably connect them with you if I never.
Yeah, you were really close. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh! They were really dark, the crazy one.
They should have lights with them,
But they are
especially when they're cycling at night.
They're not cyclists lah. They are transportation wise lah.
They look like those pro cyclists lah. They were wearing those tight, or what do you call it? That tight suit, the tight ass suit, and they were wearing helmet and everything. They're cool. Woo! This is almost as cool as Genting. Cyclists every morning, right, will stop up at this hill here and take pictures.
That's scary, man. Really, nobody stopped with us. See, you don't need high beam. You can turn my view. High beam and see.
My high beam, like, not really effective, not as effective as yours.
What color? Here's our destination. I don't think any warung will open this day lah.
A bit scary, right?
Yeah, I wouldn't come here alone. It's too dark.
I don't know why they don't bother fixing the lights. So
Lights
so
there,
dangerous.
then all the roads full with potholes. Because it's a very kampung road. Then it was like roughly 30 minutes to 1 hour ride inside there.
I would like to ride at places like that because it's scary but it's nice also.
You want to go this kind of warung? Nobody.
No.
Scary lah. Want to go straight? Go do what?
Yeah, we could have turned right there just now.
I mean, turning back or is it compilation?
I don't know. So scary yet interesting.
Selangor. What is awas di depan dia? Tank di depan dia.
It would be nice if we actually see one crossing the roadway.
Ada one. Ada apa chase?
Chase only lah, funny what?
I have to lower down my gear.
Is your high beam on?
Yeah. Yes, without high beam, okay? Without. Can see anything, man?
Cannot way, what the fuck, don't scare me. Alright, we high beam side by side lah. It does make a little bit of a difference.
It's a different tone. Yeah, about to reach the end of the whole road.
I wasn't expecting that. Damn chill, right, this place. I think we can come here more often already.
Ni bawa warung deh.
Apa macam? Or you prefer mama, like an actual mama?
Yeah, I prefer that lah. Today is like not really in the mood to go try scary places. We go left lah. I don't know where to go straight though.
This looks scarier though, but I think it's better. Go on. The scarier the merrier.
What is that smell though?
Don't know. Smells weird as fuck.
Sure did it.
Sure not. Yeah, I think better not. I want to go, but I don't want to go. Little elephant and all that start chasing us. Oh my god, that smells so bad.
I think we just ride then in the end go back there. Now only what time already? Now it's 11:30. And what here is that?
Ray food station. Apa macam?
Nobody gives a damn. that is where you know we went a bit far.
Dari mana? Daripada mana? Dari sini. Pergi mana? Jalan-jalan. Tak ada dia. Tak ada tempat nak pergi. Oh, tak boleh mentas negeri lagi kan? Yalah. Motor UK kat UK. Yalah, baru. Just tak ada bising kan?
Tak.
Ada.
Ini surat tukar. Sebelum bising ah.
Sekarang standard itu indah. 765.
Oh my god, I'm trying so hard not to sneeze.
Fine.
Because I'm wearing a full face helmet, how the fuck am I going to sneeze?
As long as you're cute, okay.
Smelling my own saliva throughout the whole entire journey is bad enough. I kind of sneezed with my mouth closed.